Okay, so up on the roof here, doing a end of warranty roof inspection, and a couple of things that I wanted to mention. First thing is, like all new construction roofs, we have damaged shingles from when the siding was installed and they fastened their scaffolding to the roof. You can see here they nail straight through the shingles, and they do caulk them, so it's not an immediate danger of leaking, but in the future it will, if and when the caulking dries out. That's probably going to be the first place the roof would leak. So see here and here, and there's 4 spots, and then there's 2 more up farther. So usually you have 4 spots on each side of the rake of the roof. So this side, then down the other side, and then same thing on the other side. I'm not going to show you every single one of them. Maybe I'll show you a couple more when we walk over there. But there's that. Let's see. There was a couple of low nails, and so I'll show you this. This here was a low nail, and then they took a tab from another shingle, like this piece off of another shingle, and they just tucked it under the shingle and caulked it and put it over top. And I'm actually okay with that. That's a good repair. I mean, that's not gonna leak. That's gonna last just as long as the other shingles. So I'm okay with that. But I did find one where they had a low nail, but they hadn't repaired it. And I'm gonna try to find it again. Sometimes can be difficult to find. I know it was over here somewhere. I do have a picture of it, but no, dang it, where is it? I should have like a piece of chalk with me that I could mark these spots so that they can be found in the future. It was right in this area, and now I can't find it. So, but yeah, it's just the nail was slightly down below. You know, you could see it like right here. Should have been up a little bit higher under the next shingle. So there was that. Let me show you a couple of other spots where they nailed through the roof. You can see those white spots. That's white. They used white caulking. If you use black caulking and you sprinkle a little bit of shingle granules on top of it, a lot of times you can't even see it. And the shingle granules will actually helps protect the caulk, and it will last longer. But it's not really something. If you're gonna come up and repair it at this point, I would replace the whole shingle. That's something you could do as you're installing. But if you peel up the shingle, and then you put your pump jack stabilizer down, you don't have to repair anything. You just, when you're done, you pull your nails out, you push your shingle back down, and that's the end of it. So yeah, you see that here as well, and over there, and then there's a couple more spots down further. And well, let's just take a walk over here quick, just so we can see all of the roof. And we'll take a walk around the side. And we can see another spot where there's holes in the shingles. And honestly, in the grand scheme of things, it's not like a huge deal. But I still do recommend replacing those shingles. All right, so we have some loose siding here. And I mean really, like, it's not even close. It's not even close to being clicking into this here. So yeah, that's probably gonna have to take the siding off all the way up to the top and re-nail everything. The problem is here, you know, with such a hard angles, you know, this piece of siding is cut like on a really hard angle. So the only place where there's actually nails in it is up here. So this has no nails in it. So really what you have to do is get up under this J channel, and I used to like to put zip screws up there. Just one, that's all you need, just one here. That holds this part here that's not nailed up. And we had some of that same stuff going on over here too. Piece of loose siding. So that's gonna need some attention. And here, like I was saying, another area where they had nailed through the shingles. And right there. So the stabilizer arm has two arms on it. So, you know, they're there. So you're gonna see 4 of those on each side. So 1, 2 here, and then 1, 2 up farther. Same thing on the other side, and then the other side and the other side. So I think that's it. That's all I really wanted to talk about. Yeah. So that ought to do it.